Are you looking for a video on how to solve challenging word problems involving percent? Then this video is right for you. So, without much further ado, let's begin. Hi, my name is Rowel Carpio, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to present how to solve challenging word problems involving percent. So let us have example 1. An item is sold at 15% discount. If the selling price is 765 pesos, how much is the original price of the item? First is we are going to represent this whole block that original price, which is unknown. So this n or the unknown is equivalent to 100%. Now since the whole block is divided equally into 10 equal parts, so therefore each unit or part is equivalent to 10%. So the 15% is equivalent to 1.5 units or parts. And these 1.5 units or parts represent the discount, while 8.5 units or parts represent the 85%, while the 1.5 represent the 15% discount. So this 85% is the selling price, which is equivalent to 765 pesos. Now, for us to get the value of each unit, we have to divide each unit into 2. So, therefore, 85% is equivalent to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 smaller units. So, to get the value of each unit, we have to divide first 765 by 17 to give us 45. So meaning to say that each half unit or part is equivalent to 45. So each whole unit or part is equivalent to 90. Therefore, to get the value of n, which represents the original price of the item, we have to multiply 10 units times 90 pesos per unit to give us 900 pesos. Therefore, the original price of the item is 900 pesos. So let us have sample problem number 2. Rani took a test and got 2 mistakes. If she got 95% correct, how many items were in the test? First, we are going to represent the total items of the test through this block. So this block represents 100%, which is equivalent to n, since that is the missing term. Since the block is divided equally into 10 equal parts, so therefore each part is equivalent to 10%. The 95% is equivalent to 9.5 units or parts, while what is left is 5%, and that is equivalent to 2 mistakes because she got 95% correct. Now, meaning to say that half of each block is 5%, that is equivalent to 2. So therefore, the value of each block is 4. Therefore, to get the value of n or the total items of the test, we have to multiply 10 units times 4 per unit to give us 40. So therefore, the total items of the test is 40. So let's proceed to sample problem number 3. Mang Nestor is selling watermelons. One day, he sold 60% of the watermelons in the morning. Then, 50% of what was left were sold in the afternoon. If there were 8 watermelons sold in the afternoon, how many watermelons did Mang Nestor sell in all? So first, we are going to represent the whole number of watermelons sold through this block. So this block represents 100%. That is equivalent to N. So each block is equivalent to 10%. Then 60% of the watermelons were sold in the morning. So meaning to say, 60% is equivalent to 6 units or parts. So 60% were sold in the morning. So therefore, what was left of the watermelons to be sold was 40%. Now, 50% of what was left were sold in the afternoon. So meaning to say, half of what was left were sold in the afternoon. So meaning to say that he sold 2 units or parts in the afternoon. So this 2 units is equivalent to 8 watermelons sold in the afternoon. So therefore, to get the value of each unit, we have to divide 8 by 2 to give us 4. So therefore, each unit is equivalent to 4 watermelons. So therefore, to get the value of N, we have to multiply 10 units times 4 watermelons per unit to give us 40 watermelons in all. So therefore, Bang Nestor has 40 watermelons, 32 watermelons sold in all, and 8 watermelons were left unsold. So there you have it, how to solve challenging word problems involving percent. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.